Security Pact between India, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Why it is in news? Recently, in a Deputy National Security Advisor level meeting hosted by Sri Lanka, India, Sri Lanka, and Maldives have agreed to work on four pillars of security cooperation. The four areas cover marine security, human trafficking, counter terrorism, and cyber security. Background: this organization was dubbed Colombo Security Conclave shortly after the NSA, that is National Security Advisor Trilateral Meeting on Maritime Security in November 2020 in Colombo. A secretariat has also been formed in Sri Lanka's capital city, Colombo. In 2011, the trilateral framework was established. The conclave was established with the goal of forging better cooperation between the three Indian Ocean countries on maritime and security issues. The program, which is based on military and security cooperation, is significant in the area given India's existing geostrategic relationship with Sri Lanka and Maldives. So, the highlights of the meeting are that it aims to establish a maritime security mechanism for IOR, including Bay of Bengal, amid China's growing presence in the area. With the six countries attending the meeting, the focus areas were expanded, and now it covers weapons and human trafficking, counter-terrorism and violent extremism, protection of maritime environment, capacity building, transnational crimes including narcotics and humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, etc. More cooperation through joint exercises of the navies and coast guards to further strengthen maritime safety and security in IOR. As has been reported earlier, there have been pollution accidents in the IOR, and this impacted the marine environment. The members discussed ways of combating the pollution in the waters. Later this year, the three observer countries have been invited to be full members at the next NSA level meeting. This meeting will take place in Maldives. So, what is the main significance and what are the main concerns of this trilateral agreement? The widening of thematic areas of cooperation and expansion of membership to Bangladesh, Mauritius, and Seychelles indicate growing convergence among the IOR countries to work together in a common platform and to deepen the spheres of engagement under a regional framework. The coming together of the six Indian Ocean region countries in India's immediate neighborhood on a common maritime and security platform is significant in a wider global context as well. It highlights India's desire to play a leading security role in the neighborhood. So, concerns are the progress of NSA level trilateral meeting was affected when Delhi's tie with Mail deteriorated under Maldivian President Abdullah Yamin. Sub-regional cooperation cannot be insulated from bilateral political relations, and hence maintaining good bilateral relations with individual countries and responding to the growing aspirations of smaller neighbors would be crucial. Most of the smaller neighbors are more comfortable cooperating in non-traditional security than entering into hard military cooperation with India at the sub-regional level. Thank you.